Sony reveals the release date of the PlayStation 6 and fans go crazy. Are we talking PlayStation 6 already? I mean, they did so well with the 5. There was a time period, Will, people were wondering about the future of game consoles. They were like, I don't know, in the future, do we really have them? It's essentially a PC now, inside pretty much, but I don't know why. Booming, and you couldn't find it. You still can't find a PlayStation 5. Well, anyway, we might as well talk about the PlayStation 6 then, because it'll obviously happen because they can't be already planning for the release of his next console generation. The PS6, a document from the company says, it'll happen around 2027. Therefore, it seems correct to say that the PS5 still has 5 years before being replaced. Well, a document has been made public as part of the investigation by the UK's Competition and Markets Authority into Microsoft's $68 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, a deal that Sony has opposed. Sony believes the deal will harm competition, industry players, and users. The 22-page document states that the merger, according to Microsoft, increases competition in a market that Sony has long dominated. The American giant also acknowledged that PS5 exclusives are superior to Xbox exclusives. I can agree with that. It's funny they write it right into the complaint. They're being criticized, you should not be able to make this acquisition. They're like, hey man, they got better exclusives, we need Activision. Do they have any mock-ups of what they think it might? That's not real, that's just squished together, that's just a double pro. Yeah, no concept, okay, no concept. Well, that kind of, at least we know the date. 2027. According to their document, and that's crazy. It actually comes out of a legal development that we come to learn about this particular date, and the legal development having to do with that Microsoft acquisition. So you can see there's still beef, and to this day, they still both want your living room, but you and I both agree the better exclusives are on PlayStation, right? Yeah, let's agree with that.